everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a video, an unboxing video with Ugly Duckling, and this is the box that I received and I'm about to open it for you guys. Okay, so the first thing inside the box is a gift from Ugly Duckling. I can appreciate this little gift from them just because it's nice to receive something after you've purchased X amount of dollars with them. And the first thing is a nail file or a mail file. Get it? Then the next thing I have is a card from them. It says valued customer. And inside it just is a little thank you for the support on Ugly Duckling for purchasing their products. So that's a really nice detail for them to send. And then this is like a finger holder. I'm not sure how to explain it, but for videos this is perfect because you can definitely put your nails there and that works great. So thank you so much, Ugly Duckling. So the first item that I purchased is this matte gel polish top coat. This is their #1 selling gel polish. I've seen it on Instagram, on their Instagram, and it seems like it's the #1 thing to purchase. It's a great matte. If you haven't seen how it works, I think Talia's Nail Tales on YouTube has like a little demo with it, although I'll be using these in the future and you can see how these work. But the bottles are really, really pretty. They're this satin matte black with the silver writing on it. And these bottles are 15 milliliters, which is 0.5 ounces. And I just wanted to see how big the bottle is. It's like how tall it would be. I don't know if that's a good comparison with my hand and stuff, but the actual bottle makes a great display for your nail polish rack for your clients to come see. So the bottles are very, very cute. I do like them a lot. The next item that I have here is their prep and prime. This is the prep for the acrylic system, which is the acrylic system that I bought from them. And it's just the same packaging, 15 milliliters, 0.5 ounces, which is a great size. It's a beautiful bottle. And the top, the only difference from the matte is that this one has like a little iridescent diamond. And you see the matte, it's like completely black. So I kind of like that. That's a cute thing to add on to these prep and primes. This is the prime and it absolutely looks just exactly the same. It's the same amount of product in them. It's just the bottle, you'll have to read it. I wish it would say something at the top, but in actuality on the back of it, it says primer, prep and prime. So these are great for my kit. The next thing I purchased was the monomer, and I think I made a mistake when I made the purchase. I thought I was getting at least 8 ounces. It was my mistake for not reading very well or carefully on their website. I purchased the 100 milliliters, which is 3.4 ounces of premium acrylic. They do have the odorless acrylic, but I wasn't interested in that. I wanted the original premium acrylic monomer for the system because that's really what I wanted to test the smell. And this seems to be a very small bottle, but I hope it can last me for a couple of samples that I really want to create with it. The way it ships, it has like a little plastic so it doesn't spill. It doesn't have a little cover to seal it, but it just has that plastic that you can put on, and it definitely has a strong smell. So if you're looking for a product that it doesn't have a strong smell, this is not it. It does have a strong smell, but it's okay because it's part of when you do acrylic. If you've been an experienced tech, this is usually the norm. Then I did purchase 3 of their products, and I purchased the clear, the pink, and the white powders, and these are in 30 milligrams, which is 0.5 ounces. I'm sorry, the 30 grams, and these are 0.5 ounces for us. The packaging is absolutely adorable. I love the square look of it. I love it that you can stack it either standing on the side or one on top of the other, and it saves you space on your drawer. But these are like, it's a lot of product. 30 grams is a lot of product. They do have another one, another size, which is, I believe, 80 grams, and it is just double that. So it's ginormous. It's huge. But I don't think I needed that much product because I'm really just testing the product. I'm just showing you guys how big that is, and it's just comparing it to the bottles, how big it is. So let's just open one and see what it looks like on the inside. Very cute. It has a little sleeve to protect it to so the powder doesn't spill. So that's a nice thing that you definitely have. And then the container itself, from the top, it's clear, so it's really, really nice and elegant. This is the other one that I have, which is, I believe, the first one I did was the white, the clear, and then I do the pink, so you can see all three of them. I will be doing some demoing later on, but as you can see, this pink is really light, and I like that because it can be just, I can use it the most for my full sets. So the last thing I purchased were their nail file packet, and I got the coarse, medium, and fine, and I got these instead of buying blocks. These are the way they sell them, and then they have the regular nail files in coarse, medium, and fine. It doesn't say if it's a 180, 150, or 240, but I'm assuming coarse. Or it could be 100, it could be an 80, I don't know, but coarse, medium, and fine is how they sell them. And the other ones that with the white top, they're just like spongy, so it's pretty nice to have something different in your collection. Well, you guys, this is it for the video. This is everything I purchased from Ugly Duckling. I wasn't able to purchase the professional kit because it was a little bit expensive for my budget at the moment, but I did purchase all the items that you see here, and everything was around $95 to $98, including shipping, so it wasn't that bad. It came from Canada, and it took around a week and a half to get here, and I live in Houston, Texas. But I'm very, very happy that I had the opportunity to purchase all of these and that I could get them at the price that I got them, and now that I can test them all for you guys in a future video. Okay, you guys, this is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to leave me a comments down below of any of the Ugly Duckling products that you would like to recommend me that I can purchase, I would appreciate it. Until next time, God bless.